PM tears into Kejriwal over Sheesh Mahal. The Prime Minister said Modi never built a home for himself but has built more than 4 crore houses for the poor. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Friday took a wild dig at the Aam Aadmi Party national convener Arvind Kejriwal and said, मैं भी कोई शीश महल बना सकता था, apparently referring to the official bungalow of the former Delhi Chief Minister. The Prime Minister targeted Kejriwal for allegedly constructing an opulent residence for himself as CM. The country knows it well that Modi never built a home for himself but has built more than 4 crore houses for the poor. मैं भी कोई शीश महल बना सकता. I could have also built a place for myself. I urge all of you, whenever you interact and meet with some dwellers, to ensure to tell them on my behalf that they will definitely get Pakka houses, if not today, then tomorrow. The PM said. The Prime Minister said that development of cities would play an important role in realizing the goals of Viksit Bharat. Today, the whole country is engaged in building a developed India. We are working with the resolve that every citizen of the country should have a permanent house in a developed India. Delhi has a very big role in this resolution. Hence, the BJP led central government started a campaign to build permanent houses in place of slums. He said, our cities play a very important role in developing India. People from far off places come here with their dreams and spend their lives honestly in fulfilling those dreams. Therefore, the BJP government at the center is engaged in providing quality of life to every family living in the cities. He added, the PM said that 2025 will be the year of strengthening India's position in the world and making it a premium manufacturing hub. Today, India has become a symbol of political and economic stability. This role of India will strengthen even more. Aap and Aapda, says PM Modi. New Delhi Prime Minister Narendra Modi has slammed the Aap as an Aapda crisis for Delhi, saying this Aapda has taken the national capital in its grief in the past 10 years, addressing people after launching a slew of infra projects in the national capital, including in housing and education sectors. He hit out at the city government led by AAP and said the situation in the national capital would worsen if its regime continued. On the one hand, the center is making a lot of efforts. On the other, the Union Territory government stand for brazen lies, he said, accusing People call it blessing. Kejriwal hitting back at Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Apada crisis at the Aam Aadmi Party-led Delhi government. Party's national convener Arvind Kejriwal on Friday highlighted his government's works in the national capital and said that people consider this as a as. Thank you guys for watching.